Let us study a new topic, menstruation. Female reproductive system undergoes certain changes in every month from 28 days to 30 days, starting from puberty till menopause. Now, what is meant by puberty? Puberty means adolescent age. Then what is meant by menopause? Menopause means the age between 45 to 50. So from puberty till menopause, females undergoes menstruation cycle. Now, for occurring menstruation, there is a necessity of 4 hormones. They are FSH, that means follicle stimulating hormone, second one luteinizing hormone, third one estrogen, fourth one progesterone. These 2 hormones, that is follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, they too are producing by pituitary gland. Which is there behind as well as bottom part of our brain. Now, this pituitary gland is producing one hormone. That hormone is known as gonadotropin or GnRH hormone. Now, this gonadotropin hormone is producing by the pituitary gland with the help of hypothalamus, one part of the brain. We can say that midbrain, middle part of the brain. One organ is there, or one part or mid part of the brain, that is known as hypothalamus. This hypothalamus triggers or helps for the formation of gonadotropin hormone from pituitary gland. Then this gonadotropin hormone helps for the formation of these 2 hormones, that is follicle stimulating hormone as well as luteinizing hormone. This estrogen and progesterone producing inside the ovary. Now, during menstruation, what is happening inside the ovary, we will see. Now here, during menstruation, this menstruation process is happening inside the ovary as well as inside the uterus walls. So let us see first, at birth a female child will have 2 million to 4 million oocytes inside the ovary. So suppose in a female child or female or a woman will have 2 ovaries. In both together there will be 2 million to 4 million oocytes, or we can say that egg cell or ovum inside the ovary. Now here 2 million to 4 million oocytes are producing inside the ovaries. There will be 2 ovaries in a female child. Now, as and when the child grows, these oocytes we can say that ova, singular form ovum. Now, this oocytes, as and when child grows, slow by slow, these oocytes number get reduced. They disintegrate, their number keep on reducing when the female child reaches at puberty. Puberty means adolescent age. Adolescent age. That particular time, this oocytes number reduces and reaches till 3 lakh to 4 lakhs. At birth, 2 million to 4 million oocytes will be there inside the ovaries. Later, slow by slow, its number reduces, and at puberty, the oocytes number reduces till 3 lakh to 4 lakhs. Then, out of them, 300 to 400, out of this, only 300 to 400 oocytes will undergo ovulation. Out of the 3 lakh to 4 lakhs, only 300 to 400 oocytes only undergo ovulation. Now, every month, out of these, in every month, only one oocyte undergoes ovulation. From age puberty till menopause. Puberty, we can say that adolescent age, we can say 13 years minimum. Minimum means even 10 years we can say, but at least 13 years onwards till 45 to 50 years of age, this ovulation process will occur in a normal woman. Now, how this process is taking place, we'll see. Inside the ovary, one follicle formation will take place with one oocyte. There will be many, but every month only one oocyte will develop and its ovulation process will take place. Either from this ovary or from the other ovary. There are 2 ovaries, so each month either from this or from the other ovary ovulation process will take place. So here now one oocyte over that one follicle. Follicle means one sac formation is taking place. This follicle or this sac is producing with the help of follicle stimulating hormone. Now, here I am drawing uterus. Its lining I drawn here. Now, this follicle stimulating hormone helps for the formation of this follicle around the oocyte. This is the ovum. Around that one sac formation took place because of the help of this follicle stimulating hormone. Now, as and when it develops, this follicle develops, this follicle start to produce a hormone. That hormone is known as estrogen. This is a hormone, its name is estrogen. Now this estrogen helps for the formation of a lining, a mucus lining on the wall of the uterus. Uterus also a bag. Now this mucus cover or lining or a wall producing with the help of estrogen, that is known as endometrium. Endometrium. Now, here as and when its formation complete, then this follicle will break open. For breaking this follicle, one hormone is helping. That hormone is known as luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone. As a result of luteinizing hormone, the fully developed or fully formed follicle bursts or breaks open. As a result of it, this oocyte comes out from this ovary. Slow by slow it will come out from this ovary. Now, this remaining part of this follicle converts to other structure that is known as corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. So here this follicle bursts. For bursting, luteinizing hormone is helping. Then remaining, as a result of it, this oocyte is coming out from the ovary. Now, the remaining part of this follicle transforms to other structure that is known as corpus luteum. This corpus luteum helps for the formation of other hormone that is known as progesterone. This progesterone helps for the formation of some secretions on this endometrium wall of the uterus. As a result of it, this uterus, its lining, its wall will be ready for implantation of the embryo. Implantation means the embryo can be able to stick and grow on the wall of the uterus. As and when this oocyte, once follicle will mature, follicles growth will completely over. At the same time, this oocyte also fully grow. Then it is releasing out. As and when it release out, within 24 hours, its fertilization should occur. So within 24 hours, this oocyte should get fertilized. If it is not getting fertilized, this corpus luteum transforms to other structure that is known as corpus albicans. Once corpus luteum transforms to corpus albicans, the function of uterus stops, function of progesterone stops. As a result of it, the wall or the lining or the endometrium of the uterus starts to disintegrate. As a result of it, the tissues of endometrium as well as unfertilized egg comes out in the form of blood through the vagina. This process occurs every month between 28 days to 30 days till the egg get fertilized and embryo forms. Nowadays, many couples do not have children because of various reasons. In case of females, irregularity in menstrual cycle, difficulties in oocyte production, obstacles in oviduct, difficulties in implantation in uterus, etc. So these all problems are occurring in females. As a result of it, they are not getting children. In case of males, reasons like absence of sperms in semen, slow movement of sperms, anomalies in the sperms, even less sperm count, etc. Due to that, even they are not getting children. Due to advancement in technology, or we can say due to advancement in science or medical science, there are new technologies now. One is known as IVF. Its full name is in vitro fertilization. Second one, surrogacy. Third one, sperm bank. In case of IVF or in vitro fertilization, if the woman is having problem in, or we can say that obstacles in oviduct, or we can say in the male person has the problem in the less sperm count, then in case of woman, her oocyte, we can say that her ovum, as well as from the male person or from the man collecting his sperm, and its fertilization takes place. This fertilization process will take place inside the test tube. In case of IVF technology, fertilization of oocyte as well as sperm taking place inside the test tube. But oocyte from woman and sperm from man from the same couple. Once the embryo will form as a result of fertilization, at the appropriate time, implantation of the embryo inside the woman's uterus is happening or doing it. As a result of it, the woman bears the embryo and she delivers the child. Now, what is surrogacy? Surrogacy means mother will be different. Here, if the woman is having difficulties in the implantation of the embryo in the uterus, from the same woman collecting the oocyte and from the man collecting the sperm, afterwards fertilization process is taking place inside the test tube. Later, after the formation of embryo, implanting the embryo inside the other lady's uterus, allowing that lady to carry the embryo till delivery. After delivery, from her taking the child and giving to the couple. The mother, the lady in whose uterus embryo implanted, that lady is known as surrogate mother. Now the third process, that is sperm bank. Sperm bank is just like blood bank. Before collecting sperm from a man, his full body checkup does. After that, collecting his sperm and putting inside the test tube, the couple who wants the child, from that woman collecting the oocyte, and same as this process, that means fertilization process is happening inside the test tube. This sperm collecting for the fertilization process, if the male is having the problems like absence of sperms in semen or slow movement of sperms or anomalies in the sperms, or we can say that such and such problems if the male is facing, then if they want to have a child, then collecting sperms from the sperm bank and embryo formation is taking place or doing inside the test tube. After the formation of embryo, implanting the embryo inside the woman or inside the uterus of the woman and allowing that lady to carry the child and deliver for them. So this is the use of sperm bank. Thank you.